Alright, so in the previous tutorial, we saw a very high level introduction to HTML, but we haven't really looked at any code or anything like that. So to start with, here are some few topics I have noted down. First of all, what you need is a browser. So browser is an Internet Explorer or Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox, etc. So that's pretty much in every computer. So you covered that. Next, you need a basic editor to write your HTML code. Now, even Notepad works best. If you want something advanced, there is Notepad++, which is free. You can download and start using it. So Notepad++ looks something like this. It's just a basic text editor. So basically, that's what you would need initially. So let's try to understand doc types. So there are many versions of HTML, the latest one being HTML5. Then there is of course HTML 4.01 strict, transitional, and so on and so forth. So the very first tag generally that you write in an HTML document is a doc type. So doc type is basically not an HTML tag as such. Like it's just an information for the browser as to what version of HTML you're using in this one. So let's start off with that. Let's introduce a doc type HTML. And next, what I'm going to do is I am going to just create a couple of tags. So any HTML document should be enclosed with HTML and /HTML tags. So this slash indicates the closing of the main HTML tag, and your code actually goes in between these two tags. So I have a little chunk of code over here which we'll try to use. Let's create a head tag and a title tag, and I'm going to say this is my personal website, and I'm going to close these tags. Oops. Okay, now this basically, once we run this in a browser, you will come to know as to what these different tags do. But this is basically the header tag, and this is the title tag that gets displayed in your title bar. Next, what I'm going to do is I am going to create a body tag. So body is something that goes in your website, in the center of your page. We aren't really introducing any alignment tags or paragraph tags or something. We're just keeping it very simple. I'm going to write hello, this is, or hello, welcome to my website. Just very simple on this one. So we have created this HTML tag. The first line being, we have said that this is going to be HTML5. Then I have my HTML start and end tags. Then I have a title, and then a body tag, which basically I've written just some plain text. Now, of course, you can put here images, tables, justify this. You can center align this, or you do whatever you want. We will basically cover those in the coming videos, but this is just to keep it super simple. What I'm going to do is I am going to, let's see, let's put it over here, personal website. Let's call this as web.html. Documents. Okay, so we have this, and Now we can just open this file in any browser and we should be able to see some content. So I'm going to go into my computer and documents, where did I put it, personal website, and I'm going to just open this in, say, Google Chrome. So you see that this is my personal website was the title that we put it inside the title tags, and whatever we put inside the body tag has been shown here. So to start off with, this is a very simple website. Now if you actually see the source of this one, it's actually the HTML that we have written. So the browser took this set of tags, interpreted it, and understood that whatever goes in body should be displayed here, whatever goes in title should be displayed here, and so on and so forth, and then basically returned this particular web page for you. And this is what essentially happens when you actually request for a web page and the server returns you a set of HTML tags.